Yo, traders! Today we're ripping open Alibaba, Baba. And trust me, this chart is looking juicier than a breakout squeeze at lunch hour. Let's break it all down. Price action, technicals, fundamentals, and of course, how we can trade this beast for the week ahead. We're in price action and key levels. First off, the move today was massive. Baba ripped nearly 10%, closing around 179 bucks on over 30 million shares traded. That's double the average volume. Translation? Institutions are piling in. On the daily chart, we're seeing a clean breakout. Price coiled above the 50-day EMA at 133, smashed through resistance at 147, and now it's testing the 180 zone. Support is locked at 171 and 160, with upside targets sitting around 185 to 195 this week if momentum holds. We're technical indicators. RSI on the daily is hot, sitting in the 90s. But the weekly RSI is a comfortable 65. That means we've still got room before exhaustion. MACD is positive. Momentum is trending up, and the super trend is screaming buy across multiple time frames. Risk flag? On the 4-hour chart, we do see a little bearish engulfing, hinting some profit taking. But until we break 171, bulls are firmly in control. We're Yakuyi, fundamentals and catalysts. Fundamentally, Baba's got some serious tailwinds. Last earnings? EPS 2.15 beat expectations. Guidance for Q3 is still strong. Cloud and AI revenue leading the charge. They're doubling AI capex with NVIDIA partnerships. Cathie Wood just threw $50 million into the stock. And Beijing stimulus rumors are fueling e-commerce sentiment. Valuation? At 20x earnings, Alibaba is still cheap compared to US tech. Peers trading at 30x. That's why the street is getting loud. We're market sentiment. Analyst calls? Buffet just bumped price target to 195s, and social media is buzzing Baba to 200. Options flow is call heavy, showing bulls are betting on more upside. Of course, the risks are still there. U.S. chip export curbs, China's geopolitical tensions, and short interest at 24% could spark volatility. But right now, the tape says momentum rules. We're Yadi. Trading plan for this week. Here's how I'm looking at it. Long case. As long as we hold above 171, I'm targeting 190 by week's end. Stop loss at 165, that's an 80% probability play based on the current setup. Short case. If we lose 170 on tariff headlines, we could slide to 160, but I only give that about a 20% chance. Shorts are fuel for squeezes here. Quick recap. Baba is exploding. Up nearly 10% today. 92% YTD. Volume through the roof. Fundamentals strong, sentiment bullish. Supports at 171 and 160. Targets at 185 to 190, with potential stretch to 195-200. Right now, it's all about riding the trend smart and keeping stops tight. So, are you long Baba or waiting for a pullback? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more daily trading breakdowns. Let's bank it, traders.